Maths Notes is the last part of the Calculator app that we will focus on. In the Calculator app, you can access it by going to the calculator icon and then Maths Notes. It always opens with the sidebar open, which you can toggle to hide. Maths Notes is also available in Apple Notes as a default smart folder under your Quick Notes folder. Everything that is in the Calculator app is available in this folder, so you can choose to use Maths Notes as a standalone app in the calculator, or in Apple Notes. Handwrite a maths expression followed by an equal sign to solve your maths with handwriting. When you write the problem vertically, draw a line on the last number to solve it. You can mix handwritten notes and maths problems. And the app only dictates and solves the problem. Maths Notes lets you use any handwriting tool for your calculations. Pen, pencil, or highlighter. You can interact with the maths like you do with your handwriting in Apple Notes. To change its color, select it with your lasso tool and bring up a pop-up menu. Then tap the color icon. You can also duplicate or delete the selection. The three dots icon has all the options you get in Apple Notes that let you cut, copy, paste, duplicate, copy as text, insert space above, translate, straighten, or delete. You can also resize it using the orange dots around your selection edges. The resize option automatically appears when you write a math expression that expands the width of the page, leaving no room to see the answer. Tapping the answer gives you options to copy the expression or its result. You can paste it anywhere you like. You also get the option to remove answer. You can also type in your maths with body text. And Maths Notes solves it without you needing to put an equal sign. To use Maths Notes in text boxes, you have to put the equal sign.